Dictionaries are generally used when we have huge amount of data, which makes storage and retrieval of data convenient. Data values are stored in dictionary in the key value pairs form, where value represents information or data to be stored in the storage, and key represents unique identification of respective data where it is stored in storage. Key is represented by number, character, or string, that is numeric or string data type. Values can be any data type like numeric, string, list, tuple, set, etc. Now let's have a demo for dictionary. First we will create empty dictionary. So empty dictionary can be created, for example, D1 is equal to open close curly braces. So it represents dictionary. So if I print it, print D1, I save it, and if I run this program using py command, so this is empty dictionary. Similarly, I can create a dictionary with some value, for example D2. So in as I said, in the dictionary values keys can be number, for example 1 colon, and a value can be a string, for example 1 comma second key, suppose I write a string 2 and its value is integer 2, comma suppose I write third key is C and its value is 3. So I'll save it and I will print this. Print, suppose I write it like this, dict dict2 is equal to comma d2. When I save it and when run this program, it will show the second dictionary, that is 1 colon 1 2 colon 2. These are the, this is key, the value is represented on the right side of the colon. Similarly, I can add any value to the existing dictionary. Like suppose I want to add some values to the empty dictionary D1, so I can give D1 in square bracket. Suppose I wanted to add some uh, like name, suppose student 1. So that is, it is a string as a key. So I must include in quotation single or double, and its value is equal to, suppose student name is I may say Ishan. Okay, and then I print D1. Okay, so when run this, it will show the one data, that is Ishan, whose key is student 1. Similarly, if I want to add another value to D1, so D1 in square bracket, suppose I want to add set, so I'll give set 1 and its value is equal to, sets are given 1 comma 2 comma 3. I save it and when I run this, sorry, I have to print it again, print D1, and when I run this one, now you can check student 1 is equal to Ishan, value of student 1 is Ishan, and set is set 1, it is a another key whose value is 1 comma 2 comma 3. So like that I can add list as well. Suppose in D2 I want add L1 or L as a list. So list can be given in square bracket itself, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and when I print D2, and save it. And when I run this one, so it will now this is the D2 which has L as a another key added with the values. Similarly, existing values can be changed with respect to key. Suppose if I wanted to change this one, so suppose I want 11, 12 and 13. So I can change this and then print updated D2 equal to comma D2. I will save it. Now you can check updated D2 is equal to L. Initially it was 1, 2, 3. This is changes to this one. So like this, like all data type, we have len function to print the length. So print, suppose I use len function to print a length of D2. When I save it and when I run this one, it will print length of D2 is 4. That means how many keys are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the four keys and four data values. Values are of different type. So there are functions or sorry methods are available to print only keys and only values. So if I wanted to know d2 dot keys. So when I run this, in this I just simply pass one string, that is keys of d2. So it will display keys of d2 that are some. I should give this one. It is a method. So here keys of d2 is equal dict. It is always given dict underscore keys and it is a list. So 1 comma 2 comma c comma l. You can check these are the keys. Similarly, we can display values only. That means values of d2 equal to I'll put and d2 dot values is the method. So here you can get values of d2 is equal to dict underscore values and in bracket it will give 1, 2, 3 and third value is a list. So they like this we can get the values and only keys and only values. Similarly, there is a update command available, update method. For example, means to update the values. Suppose I want to use update, so d2 dot update in bracket I will pass a new value, a new key or a existing key. Suppose I want to add tuple in d2. So you can give any name. Tuple is equal to and tuples are represented by round brackets. So I'll give. Suppose I want to pass capital A, comma B. Okay, this is the tuple I want to add in D2. So I'll print this value. I will save it. And when I run this, so this is the tuple which get added to D2. So like that, we can update directly using that key in square bracket or using update method.